Hi, my name is Chinonso Ogbogu. I'm the radio host of the popular radio program known as Success Matters and the author of the book known as The Voices. It's a great pleasure to be speaking to you at this moment, and I would really like to speak directly to young entrepreneurs in all over the country who have business ideas that they really want to succeed in. Now, let me tell you something that is very important. Entrepreneurship is not a walk in the park. It is difficult, but of course, it is rewarding if you know the principles that are involved and you apply them consistently. Now, I would like to talk to you about how to handle disappointments in business as an entrepreneur. Now, I would like to tell you a personal story. When I started writing my book known as The Voices, it took me over 2 years to complete the book project. But the day I have written about 85% of the manuscript of my book, and I was basking in the euphoria of the fact that the book was about to be finished, I woke up one morning, put on my laptop, because actually I was working with my laptop, and discovered that my laptop had crashed. I lost all my manuscripts. Now, before you scream, I would like to tell you one good news, which was I had a backup. But unfortunately, I went to retrieve my backup the next day and discovered that my backup was also gone. It was crashed. I lost everything. Trust me, I was highly disappointed. Of course, if you're an author or you're writing a book and you, at a certain point, you lost all your manuscript, of course, you know what I'm talking about. It was really difficult. And guess what? I wept. At a certain point, I wanted to give up in the entire project. I just wanted to pack up and leave. But one silent voice kept on ringing in my mind. Listen to me. If you can't take this story to the end, why write the story in the first place? So I started writing all over again. As I speak to you, that book is selling all over the country and even beyond. So I want to use this story as a challenge to young entrepreneurs who are going through tough times in their business. Probably you have written a proposal and somehow the proposal has not gone through. And you have invested so much time, energy, and money to ensure that this proposal was a success. But yet, guess what? It ended up being a failure. Or probably you have been looking up to a certain organization for finances and it is not forthcoming. And you're actually thinking of giving up on your business idea. Please, I want to challenge you today. Don't. Because I'm here as a testimony to tell you that entrepreneurship is not difficult, but if you keep on writing your stories, if you keep on challenging yourself, no matter what, no matter the odds that you come, across in your journey towards success, trust me, you end up being successful. There are stories like this that are banned. Of course, the entrepreneurs that will envy, like Dangote and the rest of them, of course, it was not a linear curve from the time they generated their business idea to where they are today. It's not a linear curve. There was a time they felt like giving up, but they kept on, dreaming big and working towards their dream. Therefore, on this note, I would like to speak to you that, listen, if you are going through disappointment in your business or your entrepreneurial idea, one, listen to this. Don't make it personal. It is normal. As an entrepreneur, you go through challenges. It is part of the game. Should you end your story that way? Of course not. Keep on writing your story. Number two, don't lose your values when you are going through challenges in your business, because when your challenges are over, it is your values that will take you to the top and keep you there. Of course, it is your values that will help you succeed in a business. So when you are going through tough times, please hold on to your values because it's your assets. And then thirdly, don't lose your passion. Because when you are going through hard times, the truth of the matter is that people who will help you succeed in that idea want to see the passion that is exuding from you as a result of that idea that you carry. But if you have been struck by a challenge and then somebody walked up to you and asked you, please, can you explain to me what your business idea is all about? And because of your past disappointments, you are not able to communicate your business idea with the high level of passion that is required. The person may not buy in, and then you add another disappointment to the list. Therefore, please never lose your passion. Disappointments will come, but hold on to your fire because that is what you need to drive, the vehicle that you carry called entrepreneurship as far as your business idea is concerned.